today John's going to show you how to chip potatoes so they'll sprout away nicely for you for spring. Hello, I'm Melanie, one half of John Horsey Horticulture, and we're here to help you develop your gardening skills, and we'll show you how to take cuttings, how to do pruning, how to sow seeds and much, much more. So if you enjoy learning these skills, do consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to press the notification bell, which just lets you know every time we upload a new video.
Hello again. Today I'm going to start some potatoes off. I do love early potatoes, and it's always worth having just a couple of tubs full of them which you can grow on in the greenhouse or in a sheltered spot. Now, to start them off, we do what we call chitting, and it's a question of finding your potatoes. These are seed potatoes. You do need to get seed potatoes. Don't go using some from the supermarket because you don't know what the varieties are. I've always gone for one called Arran Pilot. I found that's very good. And so you get your potatoes. Start off with a seed tray and some egg boxes. They're quite sufficient. What I want to do is to put that into the egg tray and hold it up so that the little eyes, which are actually sprouts, will grow away. There's quite a lot of big potatoes in this one, so I'll probably end up cutting some of them up in half before I plant them. But look, they're starting already, so we'll get those in, get them going. There's a nice shoot on that one there. Yeah, that's the best way there, so in they go. Space them out as much as you can. Nice lot of growth on that one. And same on that one. That one. So you carry on till all of them are out to get maximum light. So they want warmth and they want light. They don't want frost, so we have to make sure that they go somewhere frost-free. So I'm going to split these through this tray. Some small ones they can go between, smaller ones there. The reason why we buy seed potatoes is because they've been grown in a place where there's very few aphids, nothing really which will carry the diseases that potatoes are prone to. So they're certified disease-free. So put those in the front. And another one there, and there's my last one. So that's all the Arran Pilots. I've got a label there so I know what they are. That's Arran Pilot. I've always found Arran Pilot a very good early variety. It's been going for years and years, and that usually says quite sufficient. So those are my early potatoes. We'll put those to one side, and then we come on to what we call the second earlies, which, as the name implies, will come a little bit later. And this year I'm trying a variety which everyone's been talking about, called Kestrel. I've heard it described as the potato you'll grow just once and they'll never grow any other variety. So we'll give it a go. Exactly the same idea. Find the little seed, put it in, its eyes upwards, right through the tray, getting started nice and early. Now when I've got all these done, I will find somewhere nice, and as I say, it has to be really warm, it needs to be sunny, has to have good light to get the shoots to come. Well, I think all what you'd expect from growing a plant, really. It does need to be frost-free, so otherwise they get caught by the frost. As you know, potatoes are very prone. So I'm going to go along, pop all these out, and then find a nice, secure place for them to chit and get their little shoots. And later on in the year, once they've got to a size where we can plant them out, I'll show you how to put them in tubs and how to get some nice early crops for your dinner table. These will be going in a greenhouse which is frost-free and has good light, but you can put them on the windowsill. You could put them anywhere where they get the warmth, the light, but not the frost.
Well, thank you so much. That's all for today, folks. We very much enjoyed having you here with us in our Somerset garden. If you enjoyed learning these things, do consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to press that notification bell. It lets you know every time we upload a new video. Until next time.